Since my last day, I always go for the laundry service. So the nearest laundry service in Buyayawon, that is this place. Unfortunately, the Google map is a little bit wrong. It shows almost like a 10 house that side, but the laundry service is here. It's nearby. Still, you need to walk almost like around 10 house this side from the Google map. Look at the place. It's beautiful. I'm really lucky. I found this laundry service. It's only for 2.5 kgs, 170 pesos only. It's nice. They will wash, dry and fold and keep you. Seriously nice. The staffs are here very polite and very helpful. That is the owner. I have no chance to meet her, but now you can see. Beautiful and nice and clean place. Seriously, look at it. They maintain properly. The Google map, not everything every time accurate, but it helps a lot. Because very hot in here, I just buy the sunglass over here. Only 60 pesos, which is nice. The only ATM in this building, no more cash. That is the building. Okay, it is in the side of this park and the gym. You can see the church, you won't miss it. So in this building there's one ATM, it is not working. There is another ATM in Buyayawon. It is right over here as a branch. At the same time you have undocked chicken. Let's check it out. There's an ATM. It's offline. Entry itself is offline. It's locked. See, it is locked. Currently both the ATM cannot be used. So if you want to withdraw the money, you can go to local Cebuana and you have to pay extra 30 pesos. This is the place. Salcedo. Okay, now I'm here in Buyayawon. This is a small town which is located in Salcedo. I'm going to the beach, I guess maybe 2 kilometers. Maybe I will reach there half an hour time. It's going to be fun. See, look at the situation here. It's beautiful. At the same time, see the watercolor. Wow. Seriously fantastic. It's nice. Crystal clear water here. Look at that. But this side, not so much. I have no problem walking 2 kilometers because of the scenic view. It's beautiful, breathtaking. You'll never know you walk 2 kilometers. Look at that. It's beautiful. The concept is fantastic. This part a little bit scary. Either way, I can see the light in the tunnel. When you vlog, you have to pass by these kind of places. No choice already. In that point, for boys very easy. For girls, a little bit tough to do this kind of places. If you have your own bike, it's very good to explore. Or you can use your friend's bike. That is the easiest way to explore Samar. Otherwise, you need to walk like this and you need to have more willpower to go on each and every places. That's a reality in Samar. The place I stay in Maslok, you cannot rent a bike. So that is a tough time. I'm using public service. I was walking almost 15 minutes. Still, right now I can hear the ocean sound, but I couldn't see it. Let's see how much more distance I had to walk. The cement road end over here. After this, gravel road. Wow. I say it's a 20 minutes walk, and probably not everybody walk like my speed. Put another 5 more minutes for them. 25 minutes walk. For me, it's 20 minutes. There's a parking area. That is the parking area. I don't know where this road really leads to. Let's see. Entrance fee. There is entrance fee. Finally, I came to this beach. Looks is fantastic. But before that, I have to cross 2-3 camping places. Entrance fee is 10 pesos. But there is an environment fee for 100 pesos. So I took a little bit more walk. Then I found this entrance, which is nothing to do. So it's like for general people. So you can walk in the beach right now. Right now, it is low tide. I can see the sign of water until here. Maybe with high tide, the water will be until here. Now it's low tide. Look at that. It is a long stretch of beach. So evening time must be good because right now sun is beaming on my face. It's a pretty good sunny day. It's very hot unless if you are in the water. So location 10 out of 10. There is no doubt about it. Check it out. I highly recommend for everyone. The problem is transport. If you have a transport on your own, it's much better. Otherwise, you need to walk long distance and lose the energy and all your spirit on the way. So bring your own vehicle, then only you can enjoy the total experience. That is my kind opinion. What is your name?
My name is Mark Steven Lacaba.
What is this beach called?
It's called Haclagan,
Haclagan Beach?
Mercedes.
Mercedes.
Yes.
Okay, what else you want to say something?
Just click and follow Raj Live 2.0
Okay.
YouTube channel. And shout out for Team GBC, G1 cycling team.
So, if you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you.